Now, my Buddhist friends, I have shown you Amrapali's property. It was next to Ratnakara's home, that is Bajalpura. Bajalpura means music day in and day out. And then music day in and day out. And then you had within Amrapali's property, Mahaprajapati Gautami's and the 500 nuns. First nunnery was constructed by the Lichavis who pooled in money. That is Navtolia. Nav means new and Toli means for a group of women. New for a group of women. That is the first nunnery the world ever saw, folks. And it is just next to Bajalpura. It's, they are stuck together. But between Bajalpura and then you have, of course, south of Bajalpura, you have Madhurapur on the banks of the Ganges. That is where Amrapali, entertained the Lichavis. And then you had West Madhurapur, which was the old home of Amrapali, where Mahaprajapati Gautami attained Mahaparinirvana. She was known as Budi Mama, the great grandmother, and the people over there pray to her, Budi Mama, the great grandmother, and her temple is over there. So basically, the Samadhi is over there. The exact spot that Budi Mama or Prajapati Gautami attained Parinirvana, the exact spot is a Samadhi over there. There is a temple today on the spot. Now, Amrapali got a son from Bimbisara. Now, just between Bajalpura and Ratgaon is Binalpur. Binal is Bimbisara's real name because his son's name was Binal Kondana. Now, Amrapali had a son from Bimbisara whose name was Binal Kondana, but actually it is Binal Koluvar. Kondana is a mispronunciation of Koluvar. Folks, between Bajalpura and Navtolia, which was Amrapali's, which was Mahaprajapati Gautami's, nunnery, and adjacent to the nunnery is Koluvar. Koluvar means the scion, the descendant of Binal, that is Bimbisara. Folks, Koluvar is the place where Amrapali's son lived from Bimbisara, and he had become a monk. So it's natural that he would live next to the nunnery. So that is Koluvar. Check out the satellite pictures of Koluvar, Bajalpura, which is the place where the musicians stayed, and Navtolia, which is Mahaprajapati's Gautami's first nunnery, and Madhurapur, which is where Amrapali entertained the Lichavis, and of course Koluvar, where her son Binal Kondana lived and became a monk. Folks, check out the satellite pictures of the place. Now, to find out where Bimal Kondana lived in Amrapali's home, we must first locate Amrapali's home. Not far from this is a stupa. This is the site of the old residence of Ratnakara. Folks, here it is. The old residence of Ratnakara is here, Ratgaon. Ratgaon means Ratnakara's village. Ratgaon means Ratnakara's village. So this is your Bajalpura. Bajalpura means music day in and day out. See, up here, even as a young maiden, Amrapali was exceptionally beautiful. It is said that a feudal lord by the name of Mahanaman was enchanted by young Amrapali's looks, that he abandoned his kingdom and moved to Ambara village. Now, Ambara is a mispronunciation of Bajalpura. So this is proof that Bajalpura was Amrapali's home. See, here it is. This is your what do you call it? Bajalpura, which has been mispronounced as Ambara. So this is Madhurapur, where she entered. Madhur means sweet voice. Madhur means sweet voice. And this is Kagjaniya, mispronounced as Kunika, which is Ajatashatru's other name. Now Kagjaniya means to burn up an entire area for a woman. Kagjaniya means to burn up an entire area for a woman, which is what Ajatashatru did. So Ajatashatru lived here. And Bimbisara lived here, Binalpur. His real name was Binal. Now, see, here we have Amrapali and Bimbisara. Stories of her beauty travelled to the ears of Bimbisara, king of a hostile neighboring kingdom of Magad. He attacked Vaishali and took refuge in Amrapali's house. Bimbisara was a good musician. Before long, Amrapali and Bimbisara fell in love. And Amrapali bore him a son named Vimal Kondana. Now, where did Vimal Kondana live? See, here we have Binalpur and Binal Kondana, that is Koluvar. Koluvar is the son of. So Binal Koluvar is the real name. Binal Koluvar, Binal Kondana, the son of Koluvar means the son of Binal. So this is, and he had become a monk. So he lived next to Navtolia, which was the nunnery for the Lichvis had made for Prajapati Gautami. See here. The Lichvi kings of Vaishali built a large nunnery for Prajapati Gautami, or Navtolia, which is the large nunnery the Lichvi kings made for Prajapati Gautami. Nav means new and Tolia means residence for women. That was for the 500 females who were ordained as monks, female monks with Prajapati Gautami. And this is Koluvar. Now Vimal Kondana, he became a monk, so it was natural that he would live next to the nunnery. So this is your Binal Kondana, Binal Koluvar. Folks, check out the video of Koluvar where Binal Koluvar lived. Okay, now folks, I am passing through Koluvar. Koluvar means the sun. This is where, see, Amrapali's son from Bimbisara, Binal Kondana, actually it is Koluvar. Kondana is actually Koluvara. So the village is, this is Koluvara village. This is your Bimbisara's sons, in the name of his son. This is where he stayed. This is his Sangrama. So folks, this is your Bimbisara's, son's place, Amrapali's son through Bimbisara. See, all this was Amrapali's property. Imagine it, she was rich, folks. She was rich, she was expensive. The Lichvis paid through their nose to enjoy her, to attain her entertainment. So folks, she was rich, and look at this. This is Koluara, mispronounced as Kondana by the Buddhists. Now Binal Kondana is actually Binal Koluara, and Bimbisara's name is Binal. Binalpur village is just close by. So folks, this is your Binal Koluvar, Bimal Kondana for you. Amrapali's son through Bimbisara. Thank you.